Started to rust a little bit here. Hey guys, I bought a 2015 Honda Civic. It's the LX version. It was sitting in a scrapyard and it was so cheap. I just got it and I thought it was something we could easily just put together and get back on the road for little money. Some of the parts did take a little bit of time to get and a little bit of final finishing, as you see in this video, like the bumper and stuff. But overall, it was a simple, easy car to put together. It took me a little longer than I like to admit, but this is the entire video. Enjoy. Okay, so the first quart is done. Got it covered and it looks quite clean. I'm just gonna do the second half of it and yeah. Okay, so it's all done. I hope this turns out good. I hope it works. It's pretty sturdy. Now it's just I have to vacuum some of the shavings I have under there, clean it up a bit. As you can see, there's some grommets there and some up there. I'll try to clean it up. I have an opening on this end. Got some silicone that I'm going to use for it. This has dried for the most part.
Myself now. So wait, what is it going to do with this part? You don't have to jump it? Why is the door not closing properly?
It's not aligned properly.
Strength of the lion. Yes. 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 How much further do you want to push it into Rick's car? Come on, come on. You know it's going down a hill now.
Have a good day. Car. Alright everyone, so the car is almost done. I do have the trim piece. I have it in the car, but I haven't put it in there. I wanted to go for paint to fix all of these issues here, there. Maybe help me align the door and definitely get that panel gap done right. So far it is looking good. We do have the airbag back in there and the curtain airbag in as well. It is starting to look a little bit more like a car, and that's all good. Bugging curtain again. She's looking almost there. So it has been a few days to get the car back, and the side is completely transformed. We have all of the panels in and painted to match the body. That one is properly repaired, and the front also is properly painted. The rust is gone. and it does look pretty much like a proper car. We have come a long way.